Ultra-high performance tires aren't just for sports cars anymore. What started as a performance category built around speed ratings and sharp handling has moved into the mainstream. Today, plenty of everyday vehicles are rolling off the line with UHP tires already installed. So, when those customers come back for replacements, shops like yours need to know when a UHP tire makes sense and when another option may make them happier. UHP tires have long been tied to handling, stability, and a more connected driving feel. But the category has changed as vehicles have changed. Automakers now use UHP fitments across a wider range of models, which means more customers may be shopping for them without fully understanding the trade-offs. That's why the conversation should start at the counter. A UHP tire can be a strong fit for drivers who care about wet road stability, quick steering response, and confident control at higher speeds. If the customer wants a tire that feels precise and planted, this category may be the right direction. But not every driver is looking for that. Some customers are focused on a more quiet ride, comfort, long tread life, and stronger mileage coverage. For them, a touring tire is often the better recommendation. That difference is important to explain before the sale. So, before recommending a tire, ask what the customer values most. Do they want mileage and comfort? Or do they want sharper handling and more stability in wet or high-speed driving? For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.